guys, I decided to record this video because I kept getting asked questions surrounding the 2-day event, right? First question was, when is the actual event? Now, the event is February the 17th and the 18th of 2022. Now, the live seminar will be held from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, located at the Atlanta Airport Marriott. Plus, we're going to offer live stream access via Zoom for those who can't make it in person. Now, if you decide that you want to attend day 1 only, day 2 only, or both days, the choice is up to you. Another question is, what are the different access levels? Now, you can decide on various access levels, including VIP, general admission, live stream, day 1 only, or day 2 only, right? So quite naturally, one would ask, well, what's included in VIP? You'll never believe what we have planned for you. The Morning Mixer is full of great resources for your business, and you will be able to ask questions during this intimate networking session with other attendees who share your interests. I'm so excited too, because this time around, there's not just one, but 2 amazing opportunities awaiting. A private dining mastermind where together we'll examine those roadblocks holding you back while brainstorming solutions right away. You'll receive expert advice from me how to best move forward in these challenging times. You'll receive a swag bag full of resources that can help in other areas too, like marketing or social media strategy, and this is going to help grow your online audience. Now, what about regular admission, right? Well, regular admission actually grants you access to both days of this seminar that's designed for creative entrepreneurs who want to get more visibility but don't know how or where to get started. The 2 days consist of learning the best practices in the industry. You'll receive access to not only classroom material that cover day 1 on premium draping techniques, which includes a workbook. However, you'll also receive my personal teaching throughout both days, which provide proven strategies, so there's no need to keep spending time researching what you should be doing next, because guess what? I already did it and I can provide you the framework. Another question is, can I attend day 1 only to learn draping? Certainly, this is the most comprehensive seminar on draping that you'll ever find. It's filled with expert advice and education that cover every aspect on how to choose fabrics for your backdrop, all the way through to pricing it out correctly so there's no surprises when you're trying to sell it or increase your price. Now let's face it, to stay competitive in this ever-changing market, you need to be constantly upgrading your skills or risk getting left behind. I'll teach you my favorite premium techniques that took me from the drama queen myself into the draping queen. And I'm someone who can create any backdrop imaginable for any event with ease using the best equipment at hand. Another question is, what if I only wanted to come to day 2 for business marketing? Of course, the million-dollar question is, why are people keep haggling my prices? Well, you need to know the real answer if you want any hopes of success. If your target market doesn't have money issues, then guess what? It's time for a new approach. One that will help perfect your messaging and attract clients who are looking for value in their purchases rather than price alone. You'll learn how you can identify your ideal client, perfect messaging, and get them to book you at the price that you deserve. Now, whether you are accessing day 1 or day 2, you'll get access to what I mentioned above, minus the actual live access. But don't worry, we will have segments available to get some of your questions answered. However, you'll be able to do all of that from the comfort of your own home, and if you miss it live, you'll receive the replay. Next question is, do I have to attend live to get full value from this program? The answer is no, absolutely not. Our seminar will have live stream access so we can reach a broader audience outside of Atlanta. We realize you're a busy mover and a shaker. However, you still need this seminar. For those who are traveling and need to know where to stay, we have discounted room blocks when booking under our discount code, which you'll receive directly after your ticket purchase. Now, I know some of you guys may be like, well, I'm not really looking to get in the draping business. Will this seminar help me if I just want to improve my business marketing? And the answer is absolutely. You will have the opportunity to learn some of marketing best practices and network with other professionals in your industry. The seminar is actually designed for entrepreneurs who want more visibility but don't know how or where to get started. Now, for those of you that's asking, how is this seminar different from other programs, right? Well, that's simple. No other seminar will give you the same amount of training and strategy in as little as 2 days. We give you a true one-stop approach. This is the last seminar you'll need to take your business to the next level. Other seminars charge a lot more for a fraction of what you'll get from us. Trust me, there is no other seminar quite like this one in the whole world. And the last question is, will I need to bring anything to the seminar? Why, no. Just bring yourself, eagerness to learn, and the energy that's on 1,000, because if you're familiar with Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, you know I'm bringing all the smoke, so I hope to see you there.